This video shows how to load a media roll onto the HP Latex 260 printer, formerly known as the HP Designjet L26500. The steps shown also apply to the HP Designjet L25500. Make sure that the printer wheels are locked to prevent the printer from moving. Lift the spindle lock lever on the left side of the printer to disengage the spindle. Remove the spindle from the right side of the printer and then move the spindle to the right in order to extract the other end. Do not insert your fingers into the spindle supports during the removal process. The spindle has a stop at each end to keep the roll in position. Slide the lever lock to unlock and remove the blue stop at the left end of the spindle. The right stop of the spindle has two positions, one for maximum width rolls and another for narrower rolls. Use the second position for narrower rolls, which improves the drawing process and allows higher printing speeds. Move the spindle off the printer. Rest the substrate roll on the loading table. Slide the spindle into the roll. Put the blue stop onto the upper end of the spindle and push it towards the end of the roll. Lock the blue stop when it contacts the substrate. Lift the loading table to ease the spindle into the printer. If you regularly use different substrates, you can change rolls more quickly if you preload rolls of different substrates on different spindles. Extra spindles are available for purchase. At the printer's front panel, select the substrate icon, then select Substrate Load, and then select Load Roll. Carefully insert the leading edge of the substrate above the black-ribbed roller, making sure the substrate remains taut during the process. Take care not to push your fingers inside the printer's substrate path. The printer beeps when it detects and accepts the leading edge of the substrate. Select the type of substrate you are loading. The printer checks the substrate in various ways and may ask you to correct problems with skew or tension. The substrate emerges from the printer. The printer calibrates the substrate advance. The printer indicates that it is ready for printing. You can find additional helpful videos at hp.com/support videos and on our YouTube channel, youtube.com/HP Support Advanced.